From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back, and welcome back to the new week. Beauty out there today, at least with our drone cam, a mixture of clouds and sun, some heavier bases on some of those clouds, but most of the shower activity mainly south of our region, and that's where the camera's working. You see the obscured sky as we look farther south. That's where we've been watching a thunderstorm complex down across Vermilion Parish, and again, you can see some of those cloud buildups, but then we swing back around. We're seeing more blue sky and certainly hot temperatures. Got into the low to mid 90s again today. So here's the big picture as we look at the water vapor and upper level features, upper level lows and highs. So we have a high off to our north. That's allowing for a northeast flow, which is usually a pretty good chance for storms. But also we have this upper level low pressure system here in the north central Gulf of Mexico. And that's kind of interfering with some of the thunderstorm processes. And that's what's going to make it for a difficult forecast as we move forward for the rest of the week. As we kind of zoom on in, we don't see any area of low pressure, but a little bit of broad troughing here from inland Mississippi into the Gulf of Mexico, and that's what we'll be watching. That's going to be the main weather maker we talk about this week. Whether it impacts most of Acadiana or not remains to be seen. So far today, just scattered showers and thunder showers. We have a few more that are building across the Chaffalay Basin, so probably will impact portions of Upper St. Martin Parish and also St. Landry Parish over the next few hours. In fact, we'll go ahead and put this in motion, and you can see how the storms are moving generally to the southwest here. Farther to the south, we had a real active storm between Delcombe, Erath, and Abbeville. That storm has certainly weakened, but it did cause a few isolated power outages as well. Gusty winds, a lot of cloud ground lightning. Now, as we get into the tropics, the Atlantic Basin, much of it is quiet with the exception of the Gulf of Mexico, where showers and storms have been bubbling up, and this is going to be the area we watch all week long. Steering influences are very, very light, so whatever's going to be out here is going to sit out here for days. Question is whether we'll see a low pressure system developing onshore or offshore. Now, the National Hurricane Center is monitoring this general area, and they're giving it about a 30% chance of development later this week if the system stays over open water. Either way, the feature is going to drift for days and maybe nearly stationary for a day or two, so that's going to make for a relatively high flood threat, and we're thinking mostly southeast Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, coastal Florida, but we could see this system drifting farther to the west. So this is the development zone that the Hurricane Center is giving, but if we look at the moisture content, we see things increasing late Wednesday across Acadiana and then concentrating more toward eastern Louisiana as we work through the rest of the week. And then the Euro tries to develop a weak tropical depression, maybe a low-end tropical storm come the weekend, but that would be impacting mainly east of Acadiana. The GFS model showing much the same with increased moisture and actually drifts some of that deeper moisture back to the west, but the main conduit for very heavy rainfall looks to stay east of Acadiana, fingers crossed. Here's the Weather Predictions Center's 7-day rainfall forecast. You can see 10 to 15 inches of rain offshore, clipping southeast Louisiana, much lower amounts back to the west, couple of inches in Acadiana, and we'll detail and take a look at some of the actual model output coming up at 6 p.m. Near term, as we look at the graph model, a quiet night tonight after the early evening showers and storms. Another round of showers and storms tomorrow afternoon, evening. We'll keep rain chance at 40%. I'm not going as high as the National Weather Service on rain chances for now, and you can see the heavier storms off to the east, but Wednesday we could see a heftier round of showers and storms pushing on through. We'll see how that plays out, but I do have rain chances going up to 60% on Wednesday. So overnight tonight, showers ending early, warm and humid with fair to partly cloudy skies, 77 the low tonight. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies for the most part with scattered primarily afternoon, early evening showers and thunderstorms before the storms kick in. That heat index back up to 105 to 106, and here you can see the model giving us our rain chances come about 3, 4, 5 in the afternoon. As we move forward, the rain chances up. Now, those numbers subject to change. They could go up or down depending on that disturbance out in the Gulf of Mexico. But the bottom line, at least we'll keep our temperatures below 90 for a couple of days before the atmosphere gets back to normal this weekend or early next week. That's it for weather for right now. We're going to have more coming up right after this.